Click Automobile button and select Toyota Camry 2006-10 to enter key data. Click Search button, input Toy43 and select Toyota Toy43 903-10 to enter key data.
The original key can open cylinder.
Press Decode button to enter decoding page. Select the most right blue icon as sense key location and fix the original key on the top level of the clamp. Please pay attention to the key position. Press Decode button to start decoding original key and get the key numbers. This is key code for a Toyota Camry key.
Click code button and input 63089 to get the key numbers.
Click Input button and input the key numbers you get from other ways, such as cylinder, Lishito, or Insta code, etc. Press Cut button to enter cutting page. Select NKL Silver as speed and the most right blue icon as sense key location. Fix a new key blank on the top level of the clamp. Please pay attention to the key position. Press Cut button to start cutting a new key. Please remember to close the safe gate. Cutting is done. Open the safe gate. Clean the clamp and the new key. Take out the new key. The new key is working very well. Amazing!